Assalamu alaikum and very good morning all of my students. I hope all are well by the grace of Allah Almighty. My dear student, here I am Nurul Alam, senior teacher, Milestone School and College, English Medium Senior Section. I am going to conduct a class for class 8. See, welcome to my today's presentation. Today's subject Islam and Moral Education. In short way, it is called IME. My dear viewers, before introduce today's topics, I want to ask you the lesson of our previous class. I think all of you keep it remind. Let's go and follow what I discussed in our previous class. My dear student, you will enjoy after getting this question and you try to find out the answer so that I can easily understand that you already make yourself prepared to give the answer. See and follow. Review of the previous class work. My dear student, the previous day or our previous class work we discussed about Jannah, and I mentioned here few questions. Try to find out to give the answer. My dear student, follow first. Think few seconds. First question. I think you already find out the answer. The first question is, who will be able to give to gain the Jannah? Again, who will be able to gain the Jannah? My dear student, I think you already got the answer. See the answer now. Think and follow. See the answer. Wow. Hello my viewers. You got the answer. First, the mu'mins and virtuous souls, they will deserve the Jannah. Think few seconds about question number 2. My dear viewers, the last class I discussed and I think you follow it properly. Now try to give the answer. I think you got the answer already. See the answer. My dear viewers, let's go, we'll see the answer. Wow. Jannat means garden, yard and covered place. My dear student, it is very easy if you practice, and if you practice you also give the right answer in your answer script also. See third number, my dear student, try to guess the answer. Wow, I think you already got the answer. See, what will be the answer? First, see the question. What is the Persian language of Jannat? My dear viewers, let's go. We'll see the answer now. Wow, the Persian language of Jannat is best. My dear student, I have mentioned here 3 answer, and here you also got the answer. Let's another few question. Before that, I want to tell you, you must practice more so that you can give the answer and deserve good marks in the exam. And everything you mention in your CW copy. I can hope so. Yes, definitely. I think my dear students are very attentive and punctual. Let's go and see another question. Yeah. Here is another 3 question. My dear viewers, see 4 number question. What is the key to Jannah? Think few seconds and try to give the answer. Again I am telling, what is the key to Jannah? my dear viewers and my dear student. You can give the answer. Follow. I think you already got the answer. We'll match the answer. Wow, you know, Salat, prayer is the key to Jannah. About it, Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said, Salat is the key to Jannah. That means, fifth number question, C. Think few seconds and try to find out the answer. Wow, I think you already got the answer. Let's go and match the answer with my own. See the answer, my dear student. Okay, wow. What is the Bangla language of Jannat? My dear student, the previous classes I have given. See here, the Bangla language of Jannat is Shargo. Again I am telling, the Bangla language of Jannat is Shargo. My dear viewers. And last question, question number 6. Think few seconds and try to give the answer. My dear student, 1 to 5 number question answer I have given. And I think you also match the answer with my own. Everything is correct. Okay, let's go. Last number, who will give the answer? See the question first. What is the best of all Jannat? What is the best of all Jannat? My dear student and my dear viewers. Think few seconds. Wow. I think you already got the answer. Now see the answer. Let's go. Wow. Hello my dear viewers. See the answer I have given. The Jannatul Firdaus. That means the best of all 8 Jannat. It is Jannatul Firdaus. My dear viewers, before going to today's topics, I want to tell a story. So short story. Try to find out today's topics. Think. Mr. X died few days ago. When the people heard about the death of Mr. X, people thought the person was very bad. That's why Allah sent him in a punishment place. There will be different kind of punishment, fire also burned. They will be given different kinds of bad food to eat, bad things to drink, even different kind of poisonous snake beat them. I think you have understood my story. Can you tell which topics you are going to discuss today? Try to think few seconds. Wow, I think you will already found the today's topics. Let's see what is our today's topics. My dear student, today we are going to discuss about Jahannam. Again, today's topic Jahannam. See, my dear viewers, today's lesson headline Aqaid, topic Jahannam and Iman and Morality. Chapter 1, lesson 9 and 10, page number 22. Our online class number also 22. My dear viewers and my dear student, take your CW copy and note everything properly. Again I am telling, online class number 22 mention in your CW copy and you should take your book. Keep open the page number and what I am telling and underline one by one. Let's go. We will see now. After learning this lesson, Jahannam and Iman and morality, what we will able to learn. My dear viewers, after learning this lesson, you will able to learn, see and follow. It is better to note it in your CW copy. Let's go. After finishing the lesson, the students will be able to learn what is Jahannam. First, we will able to learn what is Jahannam. Second on, what is Iman and morality. Then about the categories of Jahannam, that means types of Jahannam. After that, about the punishment of Jahannam, what types of punishment Allah will give for the people of Jahannam who will enter into the hell Jahannam. Last on, about the way to escape from the Jahannam. If anyone want to escape from the Jahannam, what is the way? After learning this lesson, student will able to learn about this. Okay, my dear viewers, before introduce that, I want to tell you about the Jahannam. Allah Almighty said in the Holy Quran about punishment of Jahannam. Okay, see and follow. Today I mentioned here two phases. In the first phases, see here, this lesson I divide two phases. In first phases, I will introduce about Jahannam. That means definition or introduction of Jahannam. Second phases, how to escape from Jahannam. And you second phases will ask some question, the last part of the class. My dear student, you will follow it attentively, and last phase, that means phases 2, you will be given few questions for finding the answer. My dear viewers, see and follow. Before introduce the definition of Jahannam, we think Jahannam is a very trivial place, and what types of people will enter there, we will be identify after learning this lesson. Before that, we must keep away ourselves not to involve that types of work what Allah not to allow to do. My dear students, let's go. We will introduce about the introduction of Jahannam, that means definition of Jahannam. See, the word Jahannam stands for the dish of fire. Jahannam is a place, there will be dish of fire, place for punishment. The Jahannam also, it is also place for punishment. It is also called the hell. The word Jahannam is an Arabic word, my dear student. Jahannam, it is one kind of Arabic word. Okay? The Bangla language of Jahannam is Narok. Think 1 minute, my dear student. What is the Bangla language of Jahannam? What is the English language of Jahannam, my dear student? I think you got it. Think 1 minute. Second on, I am coming again for your better understanding. What is the meanings of Jahannam? Place for punishment. The dish of fire. It is also called hell also. My dear student, Arabic word Jahannam. Its Bengali meanings Narok. I think it is clear to you. My dear student, about the definition of Jahannam, Islamic terminology, what the definition? See and follow. According to Islamic Sharia or Islamic terminology, see and follow. Again I am telling, according to Islamic Sharia, what is Jahannam? Look at the monitor and follow. In Islamic terminology, the place where the kafir, mushrik, munafiq and sinners. Again follow. What types of people will enter into the Jahannam? See. Kafir, mushrik, munafiq and sinners are destined to suffer from punishment in the Akhirat is called Jahannam. My dear viewers and my dear student, I am telling you who will enter into the eternal punishment place Jahannam. Kafir, mushrik, munafiq and sinner also. My dear viewers, we must avoid these types of activities and we always try to keep ourselves away from all kinds of sinful activities. My dear student, I am telling you again what is the definition of Jahannam. Look at the monitor and see. In Islamic terminology, the place where the kafir, try to understand and mark it in your book please. It is better to write in your CW copy. Kafir, mushrik, munafiq and sinners are destined to suffer from punishment in the Akhirah is called Jahannam. I think it is clear to you. After the last part of the today's lesson, you will get this type of question. I will see who will able to give the answer. My dear student, or next about the punishment of Jahannam. What types of punishment? There is unlimited punishment, but I mentioned here few. Follow and try to keep away yourself doing these types of activities. My dear student and my dear viewers, see, the Jahannam is a deadly place of painful sufferings. The sinners will be exposed to burning fire. Innumerable big poisonous snakes, inscriptions, insects will beat them. My dear student, here different kind of poisonous snake, insect also beat the people of Jahannam. Please, I am requesting you, keep away yourself doing bad deeds. My dear viewers, here another punishment also. The fire of the Jahannam will be 70 times more heated than that of the world. You see the earthly fire, but fire of Jahannam, it is more than 70 times heated. If you touch the earthly fire, it is totally impossible to endure. But how we will endure the fire of Jahannam? My dear viewers, see again also, the residents of the Jahannam will be given. Again, the residents of the Jahannam will be given thorny zakum trees to eat. I will tell 1 minute. The zakum is one kind of fruits. If anyone take it, it always keep fixed inside of their mouth. They can't keep it out and they can't keep it inside. My dear viewer, it is very trivial punishment from Allah Almighty for the Jahannam. We always pray to Allah Almighty that Allah keeps safe us from the punishment of Jahannam. And which they will, see again, which they will not be able to take, rather will find it stuck in their thoughts. I told you already, my dear student. And follow another part. What types of dream they will get during the time of the trivial punishment in Jahannam? See, they will dream the burning blood and dirty fluid of Jahannam. That means who will be the Jahannami people of Jahannam? they will be given dirty blood, burning blood, dirty fluid. It is very tough to take for the people of Jahannam, my dear viewers. About it, I am telling our beloved Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said, Ad-dunya'u mazra'atul akhirah. My dear student, the dunya, that means the earthly life, it is the cornfield for akhirah. That means if you want to enter into the heaven, my dear viewers, and keep away from the punishment of Jahannam, the afterlife is the best place. It is only one place to do good deeds and to keep ourselves away from doing all kind of bad deeds. My dear viewers, see again and follow. At the time, they will never meet death, and so none can escape the endless punishment and torment of the Jahannam. In the Jahannam, people never die, and they can't escape from themselves from the punishment of Jahannam. My dear viewers, you get it here, what types of punishment and who will get punishment, what types of food will be given the people of Jahannam. I again tell you, please note it in your CW copy for your better understanding, and if you want to get more marks, you also find out it. Here, huge of question, knowledge-based question and MCQ type question you will get. See again about the punishment of Jahannam, Allah said what? Look at the monitor and see. My dear student, Allah Almighty says in the Holy Quran, see, very soon I will expose those who will disobey my verses of the Holy Book to the fire of Jahannam. In the Holy Quran, Allah only given us the instruction. What we will do, what we will not to do. But if anyone don't follow it, don't obey it, Allah will give them very soon in the punishment of Jahannam, fire of Jahannam. Again Allah said, I will create new skins after their skin are bound in order to keep their suffering continue. My dear student, think. When the people of Jahannam, they sent into the burning fire, their skin will burn out. Allah also give them again new skin so that their punishment will continue. This ayat has been taken Surah An-Nas verses number 56. Another ayat also Allah said, those who are used to kufur, that means vice, that means who will involve in sin, vice activities, will wear the cloth of fire. Will wear the cloth of fire. My dear students, see, boiled water will be poured down to their heads by whether is there in their stomachs, and their skin will be melted. This ayat also taken from Surah Al-Humaza. Here two ayats here, 19 and 20 number ayat. My dear viewers and my dear students, see here. Allah said, what types of people will enter into Jahannam and what types of punishment will be available for the people who will not follow the instruction of Allah Almighty. My dear student, I am to request you again, try to keep away those types of activities Allah not to allow. Now, I am coming to discuss about categories of Jahannam. See here, there are 7 categories of Jahannam. See how many categories of Jahannam or how many kinds of Jahannam? There are 7 kinds of Jahannam. Number 1, Jahannam, Hawiya, Zahim, Sakar, Sair. 6 number, Hutama and Laza. Can you see and can you tell me without seeing the book? I am telling second time and then you will tell. My dear student, there are 7 categories of Jahannam. How many? 7. Keep it in your mind. You also note it in your CW copy. Number 1, Jahannam. 2, Hawiya. 3, Jahim. 4, Sakar. 5, Sair. 6, Hutama. And 7, Laza. These 7 kind of Jahannam. All of the Jahannam, Laza is the lowest of all 7 Jahannam. My dear student, I think you can tell the 7 names of Jahannam to me now. Okay, try to tell. Very good. I think you all can tell the name of Jahannam. My dear student and my dear viewers, try to keep in your mind and memorized for your better understanding and getting good marks in exam. There will be few questions, you can get the answer easily. See again, how can we escape from the punishment of Jahannam? See here, my dear student, the way to escape from the Jahannam. As a Muslim, Allah has created us only for His worship. Only for His worship. About it, I am telling one of the ayat. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. وَمَا خَلَقْتُ الْجِنَّ وَالْإِنسَ إِلَّا لِيَعْبُدُونَ. My dear student, Allah has created human being along with jinn also, only for His worship, only for Allah's ibadat, Allah's prayer, so that we can deserve Jannat, heaven, instead of punishment of Jahannam. See, I mentioned here few information, few important point, and here see, those who have no faith in Allah and His Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam are the residents of the Jahannam. Besides, the evil doers, sinners, and indecent, immoral people will suffer the hellish punishment. My dear student, again I am telling, who will not believe in Allah and His Rasul, that means they have to faith Allah, Rasul, along with all kind of bad deeds, evil deeds, they must avoid, otherwise they will get the severe punishment in Jahannam. So we should avoid committing these deeds. We can escape punishment from the Jahannam only when we will lead the life as directed by Allah and His Rasul. My dear student, Allah and Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam instructed us to do what? Must follow that. And we must avoid all kinds of indecent, immoral and bad deeds. Then we may deserve the peaceful and happiest place, Jannat, instead of Jahannam. My dear viewers, again you see, I am coming to mention another point, Iman and morality. Iman and morality. My dear viewers, you see here, the word Iman means belief or faith. Iman means belief or faith. It means to have faith in the basic aspects of Islam is called Iman. What is called Iman? I think is clear. It means belief or faith. All that means you have to faith the basic things, basic aspects of Iman. Second term, what is the gist of Iman? I think you get it. Keep it in your mind. The gist of Iman is there is no other ilah worthy of worship except Allah. And Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam is Allah's Rasul. I am telling here the gist of Iman. La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Now see another definition. Morality. What is called morality? See, morality is related to moral principles. It means to follow the moral and details in daily deeds, speech and gestures. That means all kind of good deeds, moral activities and follow the instruction what Allah told is including morality. What is the relation Iman and morality? The relation between Iman and morality is very instance. It is an unavoidable responsibility on the part of a mu'min to follow the standards of morality without which none can be a perfect mu'min. My dear viewers, follow. Without following the Iman and morality, none can be a perfect mu'min. I am telling you, my dear viewers, Iman and morality, such topics, they are interrelated. If anyone want to be a mu'min, they must be follow all kinds of instruction and everything should do. My dear viewers, let's go. Now I am mentioning few MCQ type questions. See first and try to get the answer. See first and try to get the answer. My dear student, think 1 minute. Okay, you have understood. What will be given to eat the residents of the Jahannam? I already told in my lecture, the thorny zakkum trees. It is also very good. Second one, what does the word Jahannam means? The dish of fire, the place for punishment. Third one, what is the Bengali language of Jahannam? Noro. Then, what will be given to drink the residents of the Jahannam? The burning blood and dirty fluid. My dear viewers, this 5 MCQ type question, I think you keep it in your mind and write in your CW copy. Last part of the lesson, I also give you few questions. You will give the answer. I think you will able to give the answer. Now I will mention few related questions from this lesson. Note it in your CW copy and try to write the answer and memorize the answer. Follow and see. My dear student, here related question from this lesson. What is meant by Iman? I have already given the answer. What is meant by morality? What do you mean by Jahannam? What are the categories of Jahannam? Write about the punishment of Jahannam in detail. Write about the way to escape from the Jahannam. My dear viewers, this related question you will try to memorize the answer and it is better to write the answer in your CW copy. Now, my dear viewers and my dear students, think what I discussed from the very beginning up to now. Now I will mention few questions. You will try to give the answer. See and follow. Feedback or confirmation this lesson. What will be given to eat to the residents of the Jahannam? Think few seconds. Wow, I think all the student will able to give the answer. Let's go and match the answer with me. See the answer. Wow, the throne is Hakkum trees. Very good. 2 number question answer. Think, what does the word Jahannam mean? I think also got the answer. See the answer. The dish of fire, the place for punishment. 3rd number question. See. What is the Bengali language of Jahannam? Wow, I think you got it. The Bengali language of Jahannam is Narak. My dear viewers, I want to mention another few questions. I think you are very interested to give the answer because you already watched the lesson attentively and carefully. Let's go and see another 3 questions also. Think few seconds. What will be given to drink to the residents of the Jahannam? Drink. Here another question, to eat and here to drink. See the answer. Wow, my dear student. The burning blood and dirty fluid. 5th number question. What does the word morality mean? Few times ago I have shown you. See, the meanings of morality is related to moral principles. Related to moral principles. And last question. Try to get the answer. Wow, you got the answer. Very good. See the answer. What is the gist of Iman? There is no other ilah worthy of worship except Allah, and Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam is Allah's Rasul. My dear viewers and my dear student, I think from the very beginning up to this, you got many informations. I requested you to follow this class and try to write the question answer in your CW copy. Now see, if you have any question, mention and write it in our comments. See, now see here. Wow, the nice picture. I think there is no question because you learned my lesson properly. Okay, my dear student, today is the last part. I am coming the last, and before that I will give you few homeworks you will follow. Today's homework, here few related question. This related question you will learn, memorize and write the answer in your CW copy. What is mean by Iman? What is mean by morality? What do you mean by Jahannam? What are the categories of Jahannam? Write about the punishment of Jahannam in detail. Write about the way to escape from the punishment of Jahannam. My dear viewers, today I want to show you another part. No more today. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Pray for me. I also pray for you. And Allah Hafiz. See you again.